What are we gonna do, Zoe? Wait.
Make it blow.
What are we gonna do?
We're gonna make it fill up away.
With a volcano?
Yes.
Okay, let's see it.
Okay,
Let's see it. Keep on going. Keep pour it in there. Pour it in. Keep on going. Pour it fast.
Why?
Pour it fast. Keep on going. Ah! More. All of it. Go. Whoa!
Why did it do that? Why? Oh no.
Remember what we said about it last night? What we said it was? Do you remember?
What?
What did we say?
We say
It was a chemical reaction.
Chemical reaction.
That's right. It's pretty cool, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
But it's not full.
Well, it blows out.
What?
Science time, right?
Yeah.